Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today's video is about DIY hair masks which gonna reduce your dandruff and help in nourishing your hair. So without wasting any time, let's get out with the video. To make this video you are required curd. I'm using here as a homemade curd. You can use any curd. Then second we required is a lemon juice. Then we required egg white. You can use egg white. If you don't want to use egg white, you can use olive oil instead of egg white. Lastly, we required ground flour. So let's start with the video. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell to get notified. So take a clean bowl. To this add 4 teaspoons of curd, now add 2 teaspoons of orange juice, now add egg white. If you are using olive oil, add 4 teaspoons of olive oil. Now lastly add 1 tablespoon of gram flour to this and mix these ingredients really well. Apply these hair masks all over your hairs from roots to tips and let this set on your hairs to 45 minutes to 1 hour. After 1 hour, wash your hairs using normal water with your favorite shampoo. This is all about the video guys. Share your results with me in comment section below. And if you like this video, give this video a like and share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.